In this day and age, everyone is really stressed out because of the coronavirus. So today we are going to make stress balls that we can use to kind of help relieve some stress. So what we are going to do is we're going to use cornstarch and water. We're going to mix them together, and then we are going to use a water bottle to pour the mixture into balloons, and the balloons will become our stress balls. So let's get started with, we're going to use 6 tablespoons of cornstarch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we're going to add to that 3 tablespoons of water. 1, 2, 3, and those aren't quite as full as they probably should be, so I'm going to add a little bit more. Now we're going to slowly mix this together. I have a dog here helping me. She's pretty interested in what I'm doing, so she's kind of tickling me a little bit. Now what we are making is considered a non-Newtonian fluid. And what happens is when you use it, it is a liquid until you put some stress on it, and then it becomes a solid. So as I'm trying to stir, that's what's happening. It's a liquid, but as I stir, it kind of starts to stiffen up a little bit more. Can you see how that falls in there? And turns back into a liquid. So we want to try and get as many lumps out as we can. I'm going to add a little bit more water and see if that helps. Helping a little bit. Now if you're looking at the color of this mixture, you can see it is a color. So you can tell whoever's working with you, you can say, they can ask you, is this black? Yes or no? Is this the color white? Yes or no? It is a white color. All right, so now we are going to pour this into our water bottle. And since it's a liquid, it will go in pretty easily. Not too fast though. All right, I've already blown up the balloons, so it kind of stretches them out. We're going to put 1 balloon over the top of the water bottle here. Stretch it over the top. It's not wanting to cooperate. There we go. All right, now we're going to pour this in. Now we know the slower we go, the more likely it's going to stay a liquid. So what I'm going to do is squeeze the bottle a little bit to get it to go in. And there it goes. All right, so it is in the balloon. We will take the balloon off the water bottle with a little bit of mess there. Now we are going to tie the balloon shut. Ooh, I can feel that. Now to make it stronger, we are going to add this other balloon, which we got a little messy on, so we'll wipe it off a little bit there. Oh, I like it. All right, we are going to, well, I don't know if we're going to. We're supposed to trim this off, but you know, I don't think I'm going to. I am going to trim this part off. And we are going to place this part of the balloon in first. Get that all squished in there. And there we are. There is our stress ball. Now, as we press it harder, it becomes more of a solid. As it just sits there, it's more of a liquid. So, you can have your staff or whoever's working with you, I'm sorry, your parent, your family member, would you like to touch this if you had it? Would you like to see it squish? Do you think it would help people with a stress level? Now, I don't know if you'll make this at home. You can if you want to. I will keep this and bring it back to school when we're all back together and you can see it and feel what it is like. Everybody stay stress-free.